Welcome back, everyone. Um, this is not a package install video, obviously. I just went and picked up a couple packages and installed them. I just wanted to shoot a little quick shot of them. I just put them in, I don't know, 10 minutes ago or something. They're not even settled down. They're still, you can see they're still settling. I have to do something quick here. Yeah, just want to give everybody an update, kind of what's going on. My buddy gave me a nice new box. I'll show his logo off here. If you don't know who those guys are, Nature's Image Farm, go over and check them out. Great people. Now this package has just been non-stop activity. The other one seems to be, I don't know, it's pretty chill. You can barely hear it, and you can't tell I even installed here. I mean, they're just chill. I've not looked inside. I imagine they're probably the same way. Yeah, they are. Sorry about the camera, guys. I had to show you there. I'll be doing something here pretty quick too. It's gonna fall down in there. I have to tend that in just a moment. Sorry. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a couple packages installed. Put one here on this front stand and one down on the back stand. Try to eliminate a little drift. Yeah, this one just, pretty chill. The other one seems to be pretty active. It was the larger of the package too, so it's a lot louder. You guys can hear them or not. Yeah, long trip, but well worth it. Great people, lots of traffic, but just want to give you guys an update. 2 new packages, so might be hope between it and the overwintered week hive to get the yard built back up. All right, thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day. God bless.